بغض النظر على الخصم حنا واجدين فيزيكمون ولا مونطالمون الدراري كاملين واجدين تايقين في بعضياتنا وان شاء الله غادي نديرو ماتش مزيان. الستاف ديالنا غي اناليزي هاد الخصم ويعطينا لي بوان فور ولي بوان فابل ديالهم وان شاء الله يكون خير. الاجواء دايزه مزيانه، كان عايشين بحال الخوت عائله. داك الماتش ديال كاليدونيا فرحنا به النهار وصافي نسينا باش ورجعنا نخدموا عاوتاني على الماتش الجاي.
Great game. You say it's a good country to play against. They have a lot of quality, but we have a lot of quality as well, and we are ready for that game, and we are just ready and motivated because we lose the first two games, and now we are motivated to set a history for our country, and we are ready. This year is good. We talked about it. Everybody's happy because we have a tough group, and you lose two games. It's not the start you hope to start about it, but yeah, you set the record against New Caledonia, and everybody's happy now, and we have to set this for, and now USA is the next one, so we are ready to win that game and to look forward to the trophy.